सर्वप्रथम आज यो ऐतिहासिक दिन, आज पार्टीको चौथो वार्षिक उत्सव, आज भन्दा 4 वर्ष अगाडि समृद्ध नेपाल, सुशासन सहितको नेपाल र आम नेपाली जनताको समस्याको समाधान सुन्न, बुझ्न र समाधान गर्न सक्ने नेतृत्वको सपना बोकेर रवि लामिछानेले सुरु गर्नुभएको अभियानको आज चौथो वार्षिक उत्सव हो। आज हाम्रो सामूहिक ह्याप्पी बर्थडे हो। म तपाईहरु सबैलाई, रासपा परिवारलाई ह्याप्पी बर्थडे भन्न चाहन्छु। पार्टी स्थापना भएको 1 वर्षपछि पार्टीले अन्तर्राष्ट्रिय मामला हेर्ने गरेर मेरो नेतृत्वमा अन्तर्राष्ट्रिय सम्बन्ध समिति बनायो 3 वर्ष अगाडि। यसबीच हामीले विभिन्न देशका, विभिन्न मुलुकका पार्टीहरूसँग सम्बन्ध विस्तार गर्दै गएका छौँ र भर्खरै हामीले एउटा अन्तर्राष्ट्रिय प्लेटफर्मको इन्टरनेसनल कन्फरेन्स अफ एसियन पोलिटिकल पार्टिज, विभिन्न देशका 300 भन्दा बढी राजनीतिक पार्टीहरूको यो सामूहिक सङ्गठनको हामी अहिले स्ट्यान्डिङ कमिटीका सदस्य पनि भएका छौँ। त्यो इन्टरनेसनल कन्फरेन्स अन एसियन पोलिटिकल पार्टिजबाट हामीलाई शुभकामना सन्देश प्राप्त भएको छ। म त्यो पहिला त्यसको वाचन गरेर सुरु गर्छु। On behalf of the International Conference of Asian Political Party, ICAPP, I have the great pleasure of extending my warmest congratulations to the Rashtriya Swatantra Party on the occasion of first General Convention and 4th anniversary of its founding. I would also like to congratulate the RSP on its recent electoral success. This significant achievement reflects the trust and expression of Nepali people in the party's vision for public service, political renewal, and national progress. In particular, I'm pleased to note that RSP's participation in ICAPP Standing Committee. This represents an important new chapter in the relationship between RSP and ICAPP, and we look forward to working closely with you as the representative of RSP in the Standing Committee. I firmly believe that RSP's active engagement in ICAPP will contribute to further strengthen dialogue, cooperation, and mutual understanding among political parties in Asia and beyond. With the RSP's constructive leadership and strong commitment to good governance, I am confident that Nepal will commit to make steady progress in its political, economic, and social development. As a young and dynamic political force, the RSP is also well placed to offer valuable perspective to our shared efforts in Asia to promote democratic resilience, inclusive governance, and public trust in political institutions. Furthermore, I'd be delighted to welcome you and the representative of RSP to the 13th ICAPP General Assembly, which will be held in Seoul from 4th through 7th November 2026. Please accept my best wishes for the continued success of Rashtriya Swatantra Party, as well as for the prosperity and development of Federal Democratic Republic of Nepal. With warm regards, Chung Yo-young, Chairperson of ICAPP Standing Committee and former Minister of Foreign Affairs, Republic of Korea. त्यसैगरी हामीलाई भारतको रुलिङ पार्टी भारतीय जनता पार्टीबाट पनि शुभकामना सन्देश आएको छ। पार्टी सभापति श्री रवि लामिछानेलाई पठाइएको सन्देशमा, Dear Sri Ravi Lamichhaneji, warm greetings. I thank you for gracious letter and kind invitation for the first National Convention of Rashtriya Swatantra Party. I greatly value your recent visit to BJP headquarters in New Delhi and our meaningful interaction under the No BJP initiative. The exchange of views on party organization, grassroots outreach, and democratic engagement reflected the growing warmth in BJP-RSP relationship. I extend my heartiest congratulations to you, the RSP leadership, and all party workers on the occasion of your first National Convention and 4th anniversary of party. Please accept my warm best wishes for the success of this important milestone. With regards, yours sincerely, Nitin Nabin, National President, BJP. त्यसै गरी अत्यन्त महत्त्वपूर्ण अर्को छिमेकी राष्ट्र उत्तरी छिमेकी राष्ट्रबाट चाइनिज कम्युनिस्ट पार्टीको अन्तर्राष्ट्रिय विभागबाट पनि हामीलाई शुभकामना सन्देश प्राप्त भएको छ। शुभकामना सन्देश हाम्रो केन्द्रीय समितिलाई लेखिएको छ। Central Committee of Rashtriya Swatantra Party, on the occasion of the first National Convention of the Rashtriya Swatantra Party, the International Department of Central Committee of the Communist Party of China, CPC, wishes to extend its warm congratulations. Linked by mountain and rivers, China and Nepal enjoy time-honored friendship. Under the strategic guidance and leaders of two countries, China and Nepal have established a strategic partnership of cooperation featuring everlasting friendship for development and prosperity. Bringing bilateral relations to new stage, the CPC stands ready to further consolidate and develop friendly exchanges, enhance close interaction, strengthen experience sharing of party and state governance with the RSP, so as to jointly promote the sustained, sound and stable development bilateral relations. Wishing the convention a complete success, International Department, Central Committee of Communist Party of China. त्यस्तै गरेर भुटानका प्रधानमन्त्री तथा पिपुल्स डेमोक्रेटिक पार्टीले हस्तलिखित सन्देश पठाउनु भएको छ पार्टी सभापतिलाई। बङ्गलादेशको रुलिङ पार्टी बङ्गलादेश नेसनलिस्ट पार्टीको पनि सन्देश छ। पाकिस्तानको रुलिङ पार्टी लगायत मलेसिया, कोरिया लगायत थुप्रै देशहरूबाट शुभकामना सन्देश आइराखेको छ। यो हाम्रो 4 वर्षीयको पार्टीको अन्तर्राष्ट्रिय सम्बन्धलाई आगामी दिनहरूमा हामी थप विस्तार गर्ने नै छौँ। फेरि पनि यहाँहरूलाई पहिलो हाम्रो ऐतिहासिक महाधिवेशनमा उपस्थित सम्पूर्ण महानुभावहरूलाई मेरो तर्फबाट विशेष शुभकामना। यो महत्त्वपूर्ण दिनले राष्ट्रिय स्वतन्त्र पार्टी र देशको नै नयाँ बाटो गर्न सफल हुनेछ भन्ने अपेक्षा लिएको छु। धन्यवाद।